Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. I am on chain mode, and in this video I'll be showing you how to copy the XRP contract address. In case you want to import the XRP token or coin into any wallet, any Web3 wallet like the MetaMask wallet or OKX wallet or whatsoever, the best way to copy the contract address is using this site right here. I'll be dropping the link to this website at the video description. Go and copy the link, download the app, and after you've downloaded the app, you can register into the app and then create an account and open it. And as soon as you open the account, it's going to take you to this section. This app is Coinmarketcap and is one of the best app that withdraws every coin data from various exchanges, and you can virtually find any details of any coin that you want to buy, or you want to import, or you just want to research about right here on this Coinmarketcap. So I'm going to be showing you how to go through this step right here in this video. So the first thing you have to do first of all is to, after you've opened your Coinmarketcap app, you just click right here in this particular place right here. You tap on it, okay, and then you click on it. Can you ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable? Okay, now you click on XRP. All right, and I've clicked on XRP. You can always see the first coin that shows right here at the top is always the coin. All right, is always the particular coin that you are looking for. Okay, so now it's going to show up this. You can see this is some of the information. You can see the particular trading volume, the trading rates. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is this. Pay attention, guys. You are going to now swipe this to the left. Okay, you swipe it to the left right here. Okay, you swipe it, and it's going to show up this. Ensure that it shows up this about right here. And after showing up this about right here, just scroll down to where you have this, you have this contract address. So you tap on it, all right, and as soon as you tap on it, now it's going to show up right this. These are all the various network in XRP. Okay, you have the XRP in the BNB chain. You also have the XRP in the Solana chain. You also have the XRP in the Kaye chain, and this particular XRP. Okay, now you can see these various wallets. This wallet that is showing up right at the corner here means that it is supported in both Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Okay, it is supported in both Trust Wallet and MetaMask, but that doesn't mean that you cannot. It's only Trust Wallet that can import this. You can virtually import this XRP right here, any of this XRP network, into any Web3 wallet. Okay, so this is how to go about the process of copying your contract address. In the next slide, I'll be showing you how to research some of the token that you want to buy. I already made a video initially before on how I buy token, newly listed token. Go ahead and watch that video to have full understanding on how to make some funds using this Coinmarketcap. So if you have any other question, leave them at the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.